Hello.
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 Leave a 13-year-old, no, sorry, a 14-year-old to her own devices. Now, I will admit that I helped put the fence up, but it was all a thought that was generated inside of that big old head right there. It's walking way over yonder, just out of camera view. There you go. And she is loading up my truck to go to the dump. We tore our shed down. We're clean. Who? No. This isn't the news report. Oh. And she's hauling all the junk over there. This is all junk. We're cleaning up. Oh, hope they didn't hear that. And so we tore all this up. All that right there. All of that over there to the truck and way out yonder. And this is all the stuff we're going to donate and give away and keep. Egg incubators. There's several coolers here that are in good shape. Ladder. Some wire in these bags. There's our first camcorder box. Oops. Forgot it doesn't have a zoom. I got to do the zoom.
What camera is that?
The 7. There you go. We're gonna have this all cleaned up where we can cut the backyard separate. Whoop. Level the camera, Scott. Get all this cleaned up. All right. Bring y'all back later.